how to find the square of any 2-digit number. This video will teach you how to find the square of any 2-digit number. Don't skip. Try to get this trick so you can be able to use it in everyday activity as the mathematics is being required. So let's start finding the solution for this question. So in 13 square, the logic is this. In finding the square of any 2-digit number, the first thing you are going to do is, this is the question, you split it into 3. 1, 2, 3. So you have to do like this: 1 square, 3 square. So the inner side, 1 times 3 times 2. This one will multiply 3, 3 will multiply 2. So 1 square will give you 1, 3 square will give you 9, 1 times 3 times 2 will surely give you 6, telling us that 13 squared is equal to 169. So this logic, it is helpful in everyday activity in case you want to find some values. So now let's find the square of 24. 24 square. So as I've said earlier, I said you split it into 2. We have 2 square, we have 4 square, 2 times 4 times 2. As I've said earlier that, so this, the first digit, we square it, the second digit we are going to square. So the inner, you now multiply 2 times 4 times 2. So this is how, before I proceed, if you're able to study what I just tried to do, this is the inner one here is 1 digit. So the second one, my line lead to 2 digits. Another big one, my line to 3 digits. So you are going to try to watch this video to the end. You're able to get the logic, how it is being used for any of 2-digit number. So the first one is 4. The second one is 16. So 2 times 4 times 2, it surely give you 16. It surely give you 2 times 2. This is 4. Surely give you 16. So now, this is not the answer. 24 squared is not this. So what are the logic to now use here? The logic is this. You now take only 1 digit, which is here. From here, you take only 1 digit. You take 6. It remains 1. You now add a 1 to 16. So 1 plus 16, you add 1 plus 16 to give you 17. You take 1. It now remains 1. The 1, you take it here. 1 plus 4, it now give you 5. So 24 square will give you 576. So this is just the logic. So let's do the one of 35. 35 square. So as I've said earlier, you split it into 3. So in splitting it to 3, you have 3 square, 5 square, 3 times 5 times 2. So the first square here give you 9. 5 square give you 25. So 3 times 5 surely give you 15. 15 times 2 will give you 30. Now let's try, as I've said earlier, my first example deal about the inner one is 1 digit. The second example is 2 digits. So you have all this example might not be 3 digits. So try to watch this video to the end so you're able to know all the tricks, and it is applicable to any of 2-digit number. So therefore we have, this is 5. It remains 2. Let's add the 2 to 30. It surely give you 32. In 32, you write 2. It remains, this is 32, you write 2. It now remains 3. So 3 plus 9 surely give you 12. So meaning that 35 square is equal to 1, 12, 25. So this is the value for 35 square. So we are now moving a little bit to a bigger number. So how do we now do that? So let's move to a little bigger number. We have 48. So 48, as I've said earlier, that we have 4, we have 8 square, 4 square, 8 square, 4 times 8 times 2. So now, you have split it into 3. And 4 square is 16, 8 square is 64, 4 times 8 will surely give you 32. So 32 times 2 will surely give you 64. So what are you now going to do? You took only one digit from the first one, which is 4. You add, it remains 6. You add the 6 to 64, it surely give you 70. You only take one value, which is 0. It remains 7. Let's add the 7 to 16. It will surely give you, when you remove 4 from 7, it will give you 20. So it now give you 23. So meaning that 48 squared is equal to 23 is 4. So this is the value for 48 squared. So this will give you, surely it's becoming more interesting as you're able to move further to 69 and 89 squared. If you're able to see what I've able to have, the example bringing out from the 2-digit number between 0 to 99, I'm able to bring the valuable meaning number that you might come across, and you might be able to know the trick to use in your everyday activities that are using mathematics for. So let's find the value for the value of so we are able to down 48. Let's go to 69. 69 square. So in 69 square, as I've said earlier, it is 6 squared, 9 squared, 6 times 9 times 2. Let's split it into 2. So therefore, 6 squared give you 36. 9 squared give you 81. 6 times 9, 54. 54 times 2, 108. 108. As I've said earlier, you take the first digit, it remains 8. You add the 8 with 108, it give you 116. To give you 116. You take the 6, remains 11. Let's add 11 with 36. 36 plus 11 surely give us 747. So give us 47, meaning that 69 squared is equal to 4761. So this is the logic. So that is 69 squared. So let's find the value for 89, which is the last question. So which is 89 squared is equal to, you split it into 3 again. You split it into 3. So like this is 8 squared, 9 squared, 8 times 9 times 2. So 8 squared give us 64. 9 squared give us 81. So 8 times 9 is 72. 72 times 2, 144. 144. So now, what exactly that you need now is that the 81, you only take one value, which is from 81 to give you 1. It now remains 8. You will now add them together. So 8 plus 144, it surely give you 152. 152, because by the time you remove 6 to add 144, it will give you 150, remain 2. So 152. In 152, you remove 2 out. So it now remains 15. You come again. You said 64 plus 15. So this will surely give you 9, 7. So you now put this to be 79. So meaning that 89 squared is equal to 7921. So this is the value of 89 squared. So I will try to give you an homework to do, so you're able to test all what I've able to have been doing since. Maybe I'm right. So 1, you find the square of 58 squared. 2, you find the square of 69 squared. So help me to do this and send it to me in comment section. Give me the answer. Let's see how it looks like. Let's see the practical of what we have been doing since. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share this video. Don't hesitate not to share. Try to share this video so everybody can gain and know exactly how to scale a number. My name still remains the same, Olusegun Adelekun. The stage name is Olusegun Maths Clinic. Don't forget we are on TikTok, we're on Facebook and the YouTube. So try. Thanks for watching this video.